Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store public. First, ensure your store's foundational details are complete, including contact and billing information. Next, add at least one product with compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Select a theme that reflects your brand and customize its layout. Finally, configure your shipping options and integrate preferred payment gateways to prepare for sales. The crucial step to making your store public is disabling the password page. From your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store and then select Preferences. Here, you will find an option to enable password page. Simply uncheck this box. Remember to click Save to apply these changes, instantly making your store visible and accessible to all potential customers. Connecting your domain is vital for a professional online presence. You can either add a custom domain you own or utilize the default Shopify domain provided. Next, organize your navigation menus logically, making it easy for visitors to find products and information. Create essential pages such as About Us and Contact for customer trust. Finally, double-check all links to ensure they function perfectly. Before officially launching, perform a thorough test of your entire checkout process by placing a dummy order. Optimize your store's content and product descriptions for search engines to improve visibility. Once everything is perfect, announce your store's grand opening across your social media channels. After launch, closely monitor your initial sales and gather customer feedback to continuously improve your shopping experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.